Here I've got ZTE Blade L7, and let me show you how to clear browsing data on the following device. So at the very beginning, you have to open the browser that you are using. I will pick Google Chrome because it's mine. Then click on the More icon, which is 3.1 in the right upper corner, and then select History. And here go to Clear Browsing Data. And now you can pick something from Basic and Advanced options. So in Basic you will find Browsing History, Cookies and Site Data, Cached Images and Files, and then in Advanced you can pick some more like Saved Passwords, Autofill from Data, and also Site Settings. So I would like to delete all of them, and the last step that you have to do is to pick the time range, so smoothly click on time range and then choose the particular period of time. And it can be last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, 4 weeks, or even all time, and this is what I would pick because I would like to fully remove contents from my browser, and click on Clear Data. And this is it. As you can see, there is no more history and you can create it from scratch. So that would be all. This is how you can quickly and easily clear browsing data in your ZTE. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.